Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain the laporan Duha from Jaringan Komputer. But before we go to start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Kezia Nofitri, or more people usually call me Eza, and my NEM or NIM are 2023 32035, and I'm from class A in information system. In here we will use Cisco Packet Tracer, and I'm using a pattern in here, and we will go to start at the explanation. In here, like you all can see, before we go to start at the explanation, I will put the server in here. Yep. We will need five switches and for PC and one server in here. I'm using a star pattern to make the switch. And the switch, I attach it with the PC with straight cable in here. As you can see, I make the switch attach each other with cross cable, and the one switch that doesn't attach with the PC, I attach it with the server in here. Then I will put it back in here to make it like a star. If you guys want to know why I put no no why I'm using a server to make it the star, because if I'm using a cross cable in here to from switch 1 to switch 4, it will be cancelled and it said fall 1, and it will be stay orange, not like this. It's already all green. Then we will go to the explanation. In here, we will go to make the SCV first. We go to the server. I'm so sorry if this doesn't. Oh my god, it doesn't show in here. How can I make it to show? Let me go to the. Wait a minute, okay? Okay, as you can see in here, I already clicked the server, and we will go to the desktop in here. Then we will input the IP configuration. In here, we will use the static one or the manual. In here, we put IP address 192.168.1.1, and subnet mask is automatically input. In here, it was 255.255.255.0, and we will go to the config in here to make the DHCP that will be automatically input in all of the PC in here. Then we will go to the DHCP. Don't forget to make it the servers on. In here, I already make my server. It was as a server in here. I can make the pool name different from this one pool name. I will use the as a server in here. Then the default gateway is 000, and then a server is still 000, but the start IP address, it was same like the IP configuration in here. It was sorry. Okay, it was 192.168.1. Sorry, the exact okay. 1 and 2. Why I'm using 2 in here? It was because the IP configuration in here, I'm using the 1.1 in here, and it will be crashed if I'm using the same number. That's why I'm using 2. And the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It will be put or input in here like manually. Then the maximum number is 254. Then we can use the add one in here and save. If we already save it, we can go to the PC. I'm using the PC0 in here. We go to the desktop IP configuration, and we will make the IP configuration are the SCP. It will be automatically added in here. Like in here is IP address 192.168.1.4, and the subnet mask is already automatically added in here. We will look at the PC2 for the explanation error. it was 1.5. Then the PC3 is, wait, it was 1.3. Then the PC1 in here, it was 1.2. Yep. If we already check all the PC already configuration with the DHCP that we already make it, we will go to the HTTP. In here we go to the HTTP, and don't forget to make the HTTP and the HTTPS is on, okay? Then in here we're using the file name index HTML to make the URL. In here I already make the code. First of all is the header or the subnet, the sub header in here. I'm using tugas 2. Then it was in center. We go to the header 1, header 2, header 3, 4, and 5. The first one is the information about what I will put in here. It was nama, name, alamat, dan hobby. Then the second header is my name. Then the third, my name. The fourth is my address, and the last one is my hobby. Then we will just need to close it. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Then we can go to the web browser. Yep. We can put, I'm so sorry, but I will just put it in here. Okay, guys. I will make, we will input the IP configuration that we already make it. It was 192.168.1.1, and we can go. Ta-da! It already made. Then we go to the DNS one. We go to the server again, and we will make the DNS. We go to the DNS, and don't forget to make it on. In here, we just need to make the name of the records in here. It was as a root com that I already made. The name of the website and the address, it was the IP configuration that we already make it. Then we just need to make it on, and we go to the PC again. I'm using PC3 to make it the trial. We just need to put the name and go. That's it. Maybe just that I can tell you guys about the DHCP, DNS, and HTTP. If I have the wrong one, or something that's wrong with my vocabulary, I'm so sorry about it. But thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys.